Welcome to our comparison of two popular ice makers, the COWSAR Ice Maker and the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL. Today, we'll explore how these two machines stack up against each other in terms of price, ice production capacity, and unique features. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium model with smart capabilities, we've got you covered. Let's start with the price. The COWSAR Ice Maker is an affordable option at just $89, making it accessible for those on a budget. In contrast, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL comes with a hefty price tag of $649. While the GE model offers more features and ice production capacity, the significant price difference is something to consider based on your ice-making needs. Next, let's look at ice production capacity. The COWSAR Ice Maker can produce 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, which is quite impressive for its size. However, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL takes the lead with a capacity of 38 pounds in the same time frame. If you frequently host gatherings or need a larger supply of ice, the GE model may be the better choice. Finally, let's discuss features. The COWSAR Ice Maker offers a self-cleaning function and portability, making it a great option for camping or small spaces. On the other hand, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL boasts smart features, including Wi-Fi connectivity and the ability to produce chewable nugget ice, which is a favorite among many ice lovers. Depending on your lifestyle and preferences, these features could significantly influence your choice. In conclusion, both the COWSAR Ice Maker and the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL have their strengths. The COWSAR is perfect for those looking for an affordable and portable option, while the GE Profile offers premium features and higher ice production. Consider your needs and budget before making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.